Hello, I'm Amanda Fransisca Gultom from University of Sumatera Utara and studying literature, and today I'm gonna presentation about neurolinguistics. What is neurolinguistic? Neurolinguistic is the study of neural mechanism in the human brain that control the comparison, production, acquisition of language. Neurolinguistics is a branch of linguistics dealing mainly with the biological basis of the relationship of human language and brain. Aphasia and dyslexia. Aphasia is an acquired communication disorder that impairs intelligence. Aphasia impairs the ability to speak and understand others. And most people with aphasia experience difficulty reading and writing. Dyslexia. Dyslexia is a inherited language-based learning disability caused by a neurologically based disorder. Dyslexia can interfere with a person's ability to process language. This difficulty with the language skill would be emphasized mostly in reading, pronunciation words, writing, spelling, handwriting, and something arithmetic spelling with the person's life. This often occurs due to problems in phonological processing, expressive language, and receptive language. Human brain and organization. The organization of your brain is similar to other people because we all move, hear, and see, and so on in essentially the same way. But our individual experience and training also affect the organization of our brain. For example, deaf people understand singing language as in just about the same part of their brains that hearing people spoken language. Where is the language in the brain? We can say that all of the language is in a particular part of the brain. It's not even true that the particular word is in just one spot in a person's brain. But we can say that listening, understanding, talking, and reading is improved activity in a certain part of the brain more than other parts. Most of these parts are in the left side of your brain, the left hemisphere. Regardless of what language you read and how it's written, we know this because aphasia is almost always due to left hemisphere injury in the people who speak and read Hebrew, English, Chinese, or Japanese, and also in the people who are illiterate. But areas in the right side are essential for communicating effectively and understanding the point of what people are saying. If you are bilingual, your right hemisphere may be somewhat more involved in your second language that is in your first language. This is the picture how language is produced in the brain. The first is visual cortex. Receive written words as visual stimulation. The second is angular gyrus. Transform visual representation into an auditory code. The third is Ragney's area. Interpret auditory code. The fourth is Broca's area. Control speech muscle via the motor cortex. The last is motor cortex. Word is pronouns. Linguistic component and neurolinguistic. The first is phonetic, the study of speech sound. The relationship between phonetic and neurolinguistic is how the brain extracts speech sound from an acoustic signal and how the brain separates speech sounds from background noise. The second is phonology, the study of how sounds are organized in a language. Relationship between phonology and neurolinguistics is how the phonological system of a particular language is represented in the brain. The third is morphology and lexicology, the study of how words are structured and stored in the mental lexicon. Relationship between morphology, lexicology, and neurolinguistics is how the brain stores and accesses words that a person knows. The fourth is syntax, the study of how multiple word utterances are constructed. Relationship between syntax and neurolinguistics is how the brain combines words into constituent and sentence. How structural and semantic information is used in the understanding sentence. The last is semantic, the study of how meaning is encoded in a language. Relationship between semantic and neurolinguistic are same like relationship between syntax and neurolinguistic. I think that's all my presentation about neurolinguistic, and thank you for watching my video. Bye.